everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add quiz in Canva, or you can also say like how to create quiz in Canva. It's actually very simple. All you have to do is follow along, and yeah, let's get started. So this is the home page of Canva. In the search bar, let's type in quiz. So since there are so many templates, all you have to do is pick one. So let's say I want to pick this one. Okay, let's tap in this, customize this template. Such a pretty one. So okay, it's actually very easy. All you have to do is like go through the pages like this. So for example, this is a template where it says like what is the capital city of France, Rome, Paris, Berlin, London. So what you can do right here is you can enter your own question, like for example, what is the capital city of Nepal, right? So you can simply customize on your own. You can add like same thing maybe. So since the capital city is Kathmandu, let's type in Kathmandu, and yeah, but seems like we have to customize this over here. Let's use this. And there you go. This is just like a demo. You can you might have your own questions like that. You can put your questions over here and all this option over here. You can also customize this, like if you don't like this at all, you can customize the name, and yeah, that's it. That's how you add quiz in Canva with the template. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.